Here's a look at the market from the eminidaytrader perspective for Thursday, December the 18th, 2008. Here's the market profiles that we were looking at, including today. And we had taken a look at this profile here from yesterday and the realization that it did come up and hit that 19 area, which had been resistance, which was the previous week's high. And did come off pretty good when it closed right in here. Even though we are in what I would consider to be a swing auction up or intermediate auction up, in that the market has been rallying more or less since around the middle of October, not that the larger range or longer term bear market is over, but certainly on the intermediate time frame we have been moving up since then. And we had made mention of this test here that was formed last Friday, this day right here, and how the market had a range extension up on that day, noticeable range extension up compared to the weak range extension down that we had on the following trading day, which was this past Monday. And then of course we had a very good up move here that occurred when the FOMC released its news, and then further up move here just yesterday. But knowing that this, when we take a look at these value areas, which are in the pink here done by the software, this is of course not our software, it's just the market profile software, that we were likely to experience some pullback before another test of 19 could occur. And of course what ended up by happening is the market did sell off today. It did get down to, I think it was about 873, and have some 20-point rally closing here. So pretty good bounce off the low. And so this is a day that we had a tremendous amount of what we call range extension, which is either new highs or new lows beyond the first hour of trading. And for the market to close in there is somewhat bearish, but the fact that it came so far off of its low, it's certainly showing that the market had some support as it went down here and tested the bulk of volume that had occurred on the 2 days of last Friday and this past Monday. And so when we take a look at these are the 2 days right here that I just made reference to. Just merge them together like that. Oops. And we can see that a large hunk of volume right in here, and the market lifted off from there on Wednesday and came down and tested it today, and then had the good bounce up. So it does appear that the market, the kind of sell-off we had today is, in my view, rather suspect, and the market may have just come down today to find some stronger buying support. And so when we take a look at the actual trades that we did have today, we had several again today, even though the market was consolidating more or less at the beginning of the day. We had an early formation of a balance area down here, and it was the kind of balance area that allowed us to get long early in the day. And so we got long in here, we're able to participate in this up move. And then we had one of our classic symbols here. We had a double one, which was a diamond and a squat, and it turned higher from there, so we were able to get long on that trade and be able to participate in some of that up move as well. We had another one of our signals as the market came down and gave another one right here, and that was for a long trade, so we're able to get in on some of that as the market bounced. But then when the market came down here and actually formed new low for the day, we wanted to try and get short somehow. So we tried to get short when it made the new lows, but it didn't quite fill us. And so as it turned out, we actually didn't get short until the market had formed this balance area, and then we were able to get short on the rally up here, which turned out to be just a beautiful fill right here, before the market had that really hard sell-off. So and using this balance area here, we were able to get short one more time here. So we had several trades today that worked out in our favor. Only one of the trades, it turned out to be a break even. All of the other ones we were able to make some good gains on. So Combining the market profiles to take a look at the intraday auction, what is the condition of the market, and then drilling down in time with our software here, we're able to pinpoint right to the tick where we want to be entering the trade. Is it in concert with what we think the condition of the market is based on the market profiles? And then, of course, using our structure that forms during the day allows us to identify other opportunities that develop by creating structure within the day and offering us some pretty good trade location for those trades. So just wanted to send that out for those of you that do have an interest. We are, of course, at eminidaytrader.com, and we'd love to hear from you if you have any comments or questions. Thanks for taking the time to listen for this review of what the market did for Thursday, December the 18th, 2008.